The Smachet is a heavy knife of extreme killing power, beautifully balanced and capable of lethal action either with the point, blade, or pommel.
This will easy crack a coconut. No problem. Cinder block. No damage. So that thing is awesome. It looks like total shit, but performs perfectly. So, Slingshot Warrior, the Smachet, except for I changed the design a little. I dropped the weight dramatically and added, like, put into the extender right here to make up for the weight. So now it's got that killing power, but it's like half the weight of the original, which is just this teardrop shape. But I added this, then that, so it has that maximum whoosh, whoosh. And it does. You barely have to try. You can even choke up around this. Clap. Check out that sick handle. Because the Smachet has a deadly pommel, this has that real dig into the ow, you know, because I know, like, fighting Nazis in the trenches. So there. And if you want to see how I made this beauty, keep watching. Welcome to Cradle Forge, ladies and gentlemen. Got some announcements to make on this fine September day. I am officially almost and completely out of old videos, which means I'll go back to uploading new videos every Saturday, and Tuesday we'll just leave that for the Q&A day or announcements day in between, as I'll upload something quick, kind of like when people do a live stream. So now all the old stuff is up and it's time to move on to the new. I've decided to go with the Smachet because that is, to me, I guess that would be the easiest build. And I just happen to have this lawnmower blade. It's not like the rest. It's something different. It came off our lawnmower. It came off our lawnmower that would not start anymore, even though it's brand new. And I've taken it apart and couldn't find any problems. Whatever. That's a go-kart motor now. This is what happened to the lower half. I'm still slowly getting the pieces together of this giant forge, and I can cart it around outdoors on these wheels so that it doesn't have to be fixated in one place. It can move it anywhere I want. Alright, so I got this lawnmower blade. It's thin. It's thin. I don't know if I can get what I want out of it, but we're going to try like hell. Nice and toasty. We're going to let that come up to a slow heat. good. We're getting there. Alright, I had to like rearrange the whole forge just to get this thing in there, just so I could make one bend. But, you gotta do what you gotta do, huh? Perfect. I'm going to start forging this blade. There you go. That'll fortify that hole so it stretches everything else out more. You want that belly in the blade. Okay, this part's getting nice and wide the way I want. Blade here, back part here. The only problem is I was trying to get this to bevel over here and I just cut that off, but it wants to bend like this. So instead of fighting it for like hours and wasting coal, I'm just going to come in and cut the shape I want. Then we're going to go back and bevel it. Alright, so I finished making cuts. I ground it a little to see how the edge would be, and I put a tip there that we're going to forge out a little more. But right here, I messed up and made the handle like so tiny, and we're going to have to bring that out a bit. Let's just start with the handle. Fuck it. Yeah. What I'm doing right here is I'm just, I'm tempering it the old way. Dragging the spine through. Yeah, there we go. Time to do a little grinding work on this baby. Now I'm going to use this piece of hickory. I'm cutting it in half. I messed it up. Tried to split it in half with a circular saw, and my aim was terrible. Alright, so I got that wood. I'm going to glue it together, put the pins in it, clamp it, and then we wait forever for it to dry. Hopefully it'll all be done by tomorrow, which is Tuesday, so I can upload this video. And, yeah.